Hello, online students and families. I'm recording this video especially for you guys, just to clarify a few things and make sure that we are all on the same page. So this video is all for you guys. First of all, I just have to say, I am so impressed with the online students and all of their participation. So far, since I took over, I have been just taken aback by their willingness to be patient. Their participation is excellent, and they have been joining for their live meetings. They take instructions really well, and based on the work that I've been getting turned in, they have been doing really well. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting your online student and their learning for the rest of the year, because this is not easy, as we all know. So I am so grateful for your guys' support to make sure that these kiddos at home have a wonderful day at school, no matter what. And so far, we have been doing amazingly at that. So that is a very happy update for me to share with you. We have another important update for the online students, and that is packet pickup is going on today, Wednesday, April 14th, from 2:30 to 6:30 p.m. Now, packet pickup for the rest of the year will be happening on Wednesdays after school. So it will be in that same time slot from 2:30 to 6:30 p.m. every Wednesday for the rest of the year. Now, I know that this may not be the most convenient for some of you guys at home, and I totally understand that. The only reason we had to switch it up is to make sure with COVID safety that not too many people are on campus at one time. So since Wednesdays are our early release days with the kiddos at school, this is the most convenient time, and this is coming straight from the school administration just to make sure that all of the students are safe to be at school. So once again, Wednesdays, guys, will be our packet pickup, and that is the only day that it will be available outside of the school. Now, if that is inconvenient for you, I completely understand, and I do have a solution. I will be sending digital copies to all online families for the rest of the year as well. So I will be scanning and creating PDF documents each week, and those will be sent to you as well, just to ensure, in case the packet was missed, everyone has their materials ready to go. So if you would prefer to only receive digital copies, send me an email and we can absolutely arrange that for you. If you prefer to use the copies that I provide in the packets, they are available for you every Wednesday from 2:30 to 6:30 p.m. So that is a really great announcement as well. And let me know if you have any questions. Again, just thank you guys at home for supporting your student and their education, because that is crucial for them at this point in the year. So thank you. You guys are being amazing learning coaches, and your children are really going to just excel through the rest of their second grade year. So thank you so much for that. So a few other things. This is our Google Classroom that is on my screen right now. And I just wanted to show you this because we have some really important stuff posted on here as well. This link right here, I had to change a setting to make sure that it was visible to all students. So if they click this link, and I'll demonstrate, this will bring them right to where they need to be for their live meetings with me every day, okay? So clicking this link up top in the purple should bring them directly to their live meeting link. And they have been doing awesome about joining and then joining for their next lesson as well. So amazing job, guys. And this is our class stream tab. So up here you can see stream. That's where their link is. This is kind of the home page for our class. And underneath here is where I will be posting lots of important announcements for families, online students, all of that. So please check back frequently, because this is where a lot of my announcements and updates will be coming as well. So if it's not through your email, I will also be communicating here. But again, feel free to send me an email to communicate. I'm very responsive with email, so go ahead and just use that and feel free to reach out for anything that you might need. So this is our stream tab, and all of my announcements will be posted on the class stream. But let's take a look at classwork. So this is our classwork tab, and I don't think Ms. Berna has used this a whole lot, so I thought that I would show you how I plan on using it. So we have our classwork tab. These are just some resources, some great read aloud books if your kids ever get bored during their break time, as well as the link to the Prodigy math game that a lot of them love playing. So feel free to use those. This is the most important section for online students. And they are listed first. So I will be updating packet pickups. This was from our last Wednesday packet pickup. We will also have one again today, April 14th, which is Wednesday. And so that packet pickup will be available today. We have their schedule for all of their live meetings with me. And let me show you this, because this I think will be really helpful. They have this schedule for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and they will join me at 4 different meetings for the day. From 9:15 to 9:50 is when we do our morning meeting, morning work, and our math lesson. So this is an extremely important one, and it is a little bit of a long meeting, but we get a lot done for our day. Then they will log off as soon as they are done and ready to log off after finishing math. And they do not have to join back until 11:30, and that is for our science and social studies lesson. So this is another very important time for our general education class to meet, from 11:30 to 12 o'clock for science or social studies. We also have our third meeting of the day, which starts at 1:40 p.m., and that is for their reading time and all of their language arts studies. So this, again, is another extremely important part of our day. Make sure that they don't miss that meeting. And then we also join back, depending on how the days go, for our end of the day and our writing lesson. And this schedule may adjust before the end of the year. However, if you get these kiddos on at these start times each day, I promise I will lead them to the next activity and help them know where they need to be. So all of these 4 meetings per day, it would be ideal for them to join all of them. And I know things have definitely changed for the online learners. They have been doing so well about their new schedule. And this is designed like this just to ensure that the kiddos in the room are learning the same things as the kids at home and vice versa. So this is the most convenient schedule that we could design. And here's our Wednesday meetings for our short day. It is a very short day. So again, starting at 9:15 on Wednesday morning, this is our morning meet for our morning work page and our math lesson. And then they can log off after math, and they only have to return with me at 10:30 to 11:30. And this will be for their reading lesson and the end of the day meeting for online students. So since Wednesday is a short day for the kiddos at school, it will also be a short day for the kiddos at home. So they will only have 2 live meetings on Wednesdays. So this is essentially a breakdown of all of their schedule for the live meetings. Now, there is a more detailed online schedule, and this is mostly for parents. And I won't go too much into this. You can feel free to take a look. But just in case you're not sure and they're logged off of a live meeting, this is what they should be working on. So after the morning meeting, it's independent work time, and they can come back for help if needed. They also have pull-out classes, and students are learning asynchronously for that. And so again, all of these blue times are when students are logged off of the live meeting. However, they should still be working independently or with you as their learning coach, okay? So these blue times, this might be helpful for your day-to-day knowing what your student should be doing at what time. And this also shows when I am logged out, just in case you needed to grab me or ask me a question. You can also pop in on a live meet when I'm available, but I thought this would be good to know the short times that I'm unavailable, for example, during the pull-out classes or my lunch break, stuff like that. So just in case you needed me, this is when I am logged out of our live meetings. But all other times I am usually available and the class Google meeting is still up and live. All right. Let's see, was there anything else? There is pull-out classes for online students. Again, they are asynchronous. However, I know music, they can join live for Miss B's music lessons. So if you are confused with if they're learning asynchronously or if it is a live meeting, reach out to each pull-out teacher and they will be able to clarify that for you. All right, so again, this is on our classwork tab. It has some great information, and I may be posting things on here as well, other important updates. So online parents, make sure that you are checking our Google Classroom frequently, and I look forward to finishing this week really strong. Let me know if you have any trouble accessing your packet, and online materials will also be distributed tonight. So Wednesday night, they will be sent out online as well. All right, thank you so much. I've been having the best time teaching your kiddos and they have impressed me beyond belief. So thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.